Test. Is the sound back? Ah, great. I don't know why it glitched out, but BTC is in such a awkward spot right now. Like it bounced from the 1 minute demand zone. But preferably I want to still see this level be flipped. Yeah. For me it's still too 50-50, so I'm not gonna position myself hoping it plays out. I either want to see price break above here, then lucky enough get backtest for long towards new daily highs and higher. And also what I can also see is that we reject and then like this a lot of local sell side liquidity as well. So we can also retest this low and then from there either look for accumulations, or if we lose this demand, then yeah, it looks very bad. Then I think we will go lower again. For now, stuck in between, yeah, also like the daily value area near the PUC. For Tao, hopefully it rejects right here and then gives some sort of a pullback with maybe a range. Then super interesting local accumulations. Cleanest play would be a RIMC, so that this was our range. Break, mitigate, continue. That will be super clean. So keeping an eye on Tao. If you guys see local ranges and stuff, keep me up to date. This is the most local RIMC. So here we had the local range, break, mitigate, continue. That's the main play I'm looking at right now. ETH is also potentially also in a similar, like the uptrend right here. With this potentially was the local range, break, potential mitigation before higher, but yeah, not really a clean invalidation to also use. Well, to the upside, there's not much defending price. We have some supply right here. If we look at gold, gold has been super strong. It's now flipping this market structure high and now approaching this big fair value gap, super strong candle with that supply. So that's the next POI. But overall, like crazy strength. So this is definitely bullish until proven otherwise. Oil not doing anything. BTC, yeah. I don't know. It's so far this week pretty sketchy price action. So like also now, even if I might think it goes higher, like the only invalidation I can see is like the low right here, but even that one I don't trust, because if we like, this is only weak liquidity, so if it reverses, it can be a really quick reversal. And then if you look for the daily high, it's like 1 hour. So I'm just gonna wait. Often if you get your confirmation, so let's see, like a break, and sometimes during that break demand gets created. Let's say this is then demand creation, and if then price comes back and breaks the internal structure back to bullish, then you can often get even a better entry. So then you can enter there, stop below that demand, and then at the daily high, then you already have a 2R. So I'm gonna wait for that, or yeah, just wait for anything else, because this is sketchy price action, very sketchy. Seems like market does not know which side to go either. So I'm just gonna patiently wait. I hoped we could get a live entry, but I don't think we will get it. I'm not gonna take a trade just for the sake of taking a trade. Then yeah, oil, plan same. Gold has been trending up only. So then you can watch like what is your main structure. Right now we made a new high. So then this is the local bullish structure. So you can set an alert there to see if it flips back to bearish. And otherwise, yeah, watching the supply. And this is only for value gaps, so imbalances. So basically free air from here till that supply, so that can be a quick move higher. So will not short here until you have either super clean distribution or you start breaking structure back to bearish. Then ETH a bit similar to BTC, unclear. Tau, hoping for that mitigation before continuation. Also here we can, like sometimes the super trend is nice to use. Like let's see, like for example here on the hourly, maybe it's cleaner on the, yeah, like on the 30. You can see that it's pretty close to price, has been resistance all the way. Right here, quick deviation, and it continued. And now it's flipping back to bullish. Can still be a fake out, as you saw here, for example. But the longer that price stays above, the more likely it is that the blue trend will take over. And then you can play together with the trend again. So then we can look to just trade with the trend. So the longer it stays above, the more likely the super trend flips back to bullish. And then it's a nice little confluence to have on the long side. So that looks the best for now. And yeah, for BTC, I have no idea what it's gonna do. I think it goes higher, but I don't see a trade. So I'm just gonna wait. And maybe it stays with one trade so far this week. It's also fine. So I want to thank everyone for watching. Tomorrow I won't be live streaming, most likely, but I will make a video update, because I'm busy tomorrow. Probably get some family over. Also have to run 26 kilometers. So I'm not sure when I will do it, but that will also take some time. And after that, I'm probably broken and gonna give myself a tractation for it, like deserved a beer or something. And then Friday I will be back with the stream a little bit earlier. But hopefully we get some better price action. But I would also not be surprised if we just range here until Trumpy starts speaking during Asia times, which is pretty shit. So maybe tomorrow I wake up again with a big move, but let's see. Thanks for watching and tuning in again, everyone. And thanks for the happy birthday already. But yeah, we'll speak to you guys in the Discord and also tomorrow. So thanks for watching. Peace out.